Well, after this turn, we're basically going to be in Beason, Illinois here. The village of Beason. It's a very small, well, village, I guess. Car is having trouble seeing around over the grass, but there's no one coming as it spins the wheels there. I do have it in chill mode. I have the car in chill mode and FSD on chill mode, and it's still spinning the wheels. Well, welcome everyone to the village of Beason here. Still in Logan County, I do believe, as there is some type of abandoned. It thinks it's 60 miles an hour through the center of town, which is interesting. Come on, car. So let's explore this town, see what interesting...
In 500 feet, turn right onto Clinton Street, then your destination will be on the right.
I forget what I put in here. I believe I put in a community park or something. Bunch of abandoned buildings
now
in this
turn
town.
right onto Clinton Street. Now your destination is on the right.
Well, here we are at the Beason Community Park, it looks like. Not sure where the car is going to stop. Oh, just right here. Okay.
Now turn right onto Walnut Avenue.
I hate how once you've gotten somewhere, it doesn't delete it, which is annoying. In case we're gonna... Whoa, that's a crazy hill there.
In 500 feet, turn right.
Take a drive around the town here. Give you the full experience.
Now turn right.
FSD working well on a place Tesla has likely never been, so there's no mapping data, I would assume. Oh, it thinks it's 10 miles an hour all of a sudden. I'm not sure why. The only speed limit sign I've seen is 30. It really has trouble seeing over the grass because it's not cut. They haven't cut the grass on the corners here.
In 500 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Let's go to this corner of town. See how it does. On these small roads, it's just going fine. Pretty impressive. There's the giant grain elevators
500 feet, turn left onto College Street.
that every town or village in the Midwest seems to have. It's just sending it.
Now turn left onto College Street.
Whoa, it slammed on the brakes there for... I'm not sure why. It saw something it got scared of. Not sure what that was about. It's like these weird hills in this town.
500 feet, turn left onto Logan Street, then turn right onto West Street.
Must be a requirement for every town in Logan County to have a Logan Street. Oh, this could be tricky up here with this boat. But I think we might be turning, so...
Now turn left onto Logan Street.
With whatever they're doing there, in their street up there. All kinds of crazy stuff.
Now turn right onto West Street.
Well, that's good. It goes slow because it can't really see around the corner. doing well on these narrow roads here. No real issues at all. It's a school bus.
500 feet, turn right onto 2150th Avenue. Now turn right onto 2150th Avenue.
Guess we'll go through the downtown, if it's called a downtown and a village this small. Still spinning the
500
wheels.
feet, turn left onto Clinton Street.
Here we go, here's the downtown, which looks completely abandoned,
Now
sadly.
turn left onto Clinton Street. In 500 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Looks like we are, well, we just passed the park we started at.
Now your destination is on the left.
Another giant building for farmers and stuff, I would assume. Gotta end the trip first. We're just gonna go right through that puddle, isn't it? See if I can get there. Whoa, it's going. Why did it go this way? I'm not sure why it randomly turned off the road here. It's not gonna know where to go here. See if I can get out. I'll be impressed if I can get out of this situation. Yeah, it's nuts. It doesn't know what to do at this point. I'm not sure why it turned off the road into this parking lot. Let's try putting in a nav point farther away here. I'll put in the fire department. I really will be impressed if I can get out of this situation. It might be doing it. I'm shocked. Wow, it is doing it. Well, that house is like falling over right there. Wow, that is very impressive right there. I didn't think there was any way it could get out of that.
Turn left onto 2150th Avenue. Then your destination will be on the right. Now turn left onto 2150th Avenue.
Let's turn it off. I'll get a... Let me get a picture for the, what's it called? Thumbnail, because that'll drive tons of people to this video here. I feel like
now
I'm in an
your
abandoned
destination
town.
is on the right.
All right, let's head. I think there's a park down here. It's considered part of Beason. Chestnut
Now
Beason
turn
Park.
right onto 2150th Avenue.
So let's go. I assume this is, I don't know if it's part of this town or not, but see if we can get out of here. I'll just put it in auto. Do I have to start going first a little bit? Yeah. It just wants me to tap the accelerator a tiny bit. I guess you can buy that abandoned building that's going to be in the thumbnail if you want it. And we're off. Well, that was the village of Beason, Illinois. check out the park down here. It's about, I don't know, 3 miles out of town. There's a horse. Now, this is a gravel road. I'm not sure. Is that the speed limit? 60. I don't think it'll go 60, but this is kind of tricky right here. No wind farm construction traffic. $5,000 fine. Well then, guess they're serious. Gotta hit the accelerator because it'll probably go about 40 miles. I hope me hitting the accelerator on all these country roads is going to teach autopilot that, hey, you're supposed to drive faster. See, I mean, it'll go 60 just fine. I just got to like manually accelerate up there. Otherwise, it'll hang out at like 40 or 45. See what the map says. If it thinks I'm still, yep, I'm still in Beason, I guess. I guess I just kind of, for these parks in the middle of nowhere, go, well, that's the closest town, so that's what we're going to call it. See if we can find this park. Well, there's two signs right here saying it's left, so I guess it's left. And it randomly now thinks the speed limit is 25. So let's increase it, even though I don't think it'll accomplish much. Right, huh?
Now bear right to stay on 1275th Street.
No, this is kind of a narrow road here. No alcohol. 15 miles an hour. Well, the car thinks it's 25. I'm curious what would happen if I encountered another car on this road, if the Tesla would go off into the grass to avoid it or not. What is it? 9:45 a.m. on a Sunday, so I'm not sure how popular the park will be. Definitely a cool place. It's just, it would have been better if it was obviously a lot closer to town. Whoa, randomly slowing down here. for no reason, I guess. So now we're speeding back up. Okay. I think it might have thought it detected a speed bump there with that dip. It's the only thing I can think of. Oh, I guess we're going right. Oh, there's a cool pond and everything. What a fancy place. There's a hiking trail. Man. Bunch of people
In 500
fishing.
feet, your destination will be on the right.
I'll set the point to exit the park here. So it keeps going, and we'll get a full tour of the, what is this? Chestnut Beason Park. As FSD is very impressive around this super narrow road here. So you better not have messed up back there, or we were going into the lake. There you go. That's your full tour of the park. Whoa, swerving back and forth there for some reason. Yeah, that's gonna be the exciting conclusion to this video of
In
a tour
500 feet, your destination will be on the left.
of Beason, Illinois here. And like, subscribe, comment, even if you want to insult me, go for it. Oh my gosh, I'm parking on the grass a second car. It'll be okay. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.